Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are here in the construction site. So if we notice, it's almost done. We are now in 90% of our construction project. So our people here, they started painting the wall, and the other also removing the scaffolding. So if you see here, so there are many rocks now inside. So they will start selling their products, or they will open on July, no? So now it's very nice here inside the building. So here is the remaining portion that we need to complete for painting, no? So we will apply skim coat. Okay, so the other side is almost done. So our people here, they are installing the cover of the range cover. So you see here, there is a trench here, no? So the water coming from the roof on that side, it will flow here inside in this area, going outside. So there is a downspout. This is our very hard-working employee. His name Glenn Serozzo. So, and Joshua. So they are very hard-working guys. So we see here other painter. They are painting the other side. So on that portion, the paint is already done. So we will complete this one. Our target is by the end of this month, we can complete all the civil works inside the building. So if you notice here, they are already stuck inside, no? So they start mobilizing their manpower, and they are receiving stocks. So they will start selling, or opening will be on July, as I said. So this is very nice hardware. So it's very nice. There are a lot of rocks here. So what they are doing here, they are removing some cement or concrete. So if you just see here, the people are very busy. And the other people also in the front side, they are installing the wall cladding. So the cladding, if you see the wall cladding, there is a metal sheet inside and outside. So we install metal cladding or wall cladding here. So this is the inside wall cladding, and the other side also outside. If you see there are people installing the wall cladding, and also some people is cleaning, are cleaning the floor, because as I said, they will open on July. So we are trying our best that we can complete all the civil jobs by end of this month. So this is the outside metal cladding. So there are some people there installing concrete hollow blocks. These hollow blocks here. So this is the canal going outside. You see here. So see that is the hardworking employee. They are installing the CSB concrete hollow blocks. So other people also removing their barracks here, no? This barracks. We are scheduling the removal of barracks because we need to install or construct a generator house on this portion. So you see the people here, they are very busy, and this is Mr. Samuel and Mr. Ondo. They are very hardworking employees, so we are very lucky, no? That we have employees like that. And some people also here are screening the sun for finishing. So if you see here outside, there are a lot of trucks now, the delivery trucks. So you see here there are many delivery trucks here. They are as I said, they are delivering their material for sealing. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something, and if you have comments, just put your comments in the comments box. This is a very big you see outside, so it's very nice. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and God bless us all always.